Since its release, the DJI Mavic 3 has retained its status as the top-tier camera drone, because no other contender can match its performance and quality. As expected, DJI has outdone itself and introduced the Mavic 3 Pro, the latest addition to its lineup of drones. While it's apparent that the Pro model has a more noticeable physical difference with its more extensive and more prominent triple camera setup, it's important to understand how these two drone models actually perform in practical use. In this video, we side-by-side assess them in terms of their capabilities and features to determine which one you should pick. Starting with the design, the two drones appear quite similar in terms of aesthetics, except for one noticeable difference. The camera module on the Mavic 3 Pro has been enlarged considerably to accommodate an extra lens. Due to the larger camera module on the Mavic 3 Pro, the muzzle-style gimbal protector has undergone a redesign to accommodate the new unit. Although it functions equally well and is installed in the same manner, it feels slightly less premium compared to the previous version. Apart from the camera unit, both drones are identical in size. However, the Mavic 3 Pro weighs a tad more at 958 grams, while the original Mavic 3 weighs 895 grams. All of this extra weight is just for an extra camera. Speaking of the camera, both drones share the same primary camera equipped with a sizable 4x3 sensor and a customizable aperture. In essence, it's the most remarkable camera we've ever encountered on an aerial device. The Mavic 3 broke new ground by introducing various camera alternatives, including a 162mm the telephoto lens. However, it's crucial to note that this secondary camera is of considerably lower quality compared to the primary ones, sporting a smaller half-inch center and an unchangeable f-stop 4.4 aperture. The Mavic 3 Pro takes the 162mm telephoto lens for the next level, extending its focal length to 166mm and expanding the aperture to f-stop 3.4. Although the disparity may not seem substantial, our testing indicates that the results are superior and of better quality. Furthermore, the Mavic 3 Pro comes with an extra lens while functions as an intermediary option, equivalent to a 70mm focal length, and an f-stop 2.8 aperture. Besides, the latest camera boasts a 1x1.3-inch sensor, similar in size of that to a top-tier smartphone camera. Additionally, the Mavic 3 Pro offers a diverse range of recording possibilities, allowing you to shoot at 5.1K at 50 fps, or DCI 4K at 120 fps, enabling you to choose the best suited option. On the other hand, the primary camera of Mavic 3 lets you shoot 5.3K videos at 60 fps, and has a 28mm focal length, while the secondary camera can capture images at up to 4K at 60 fps, and has a 75mm equivalent focal length. Furthermore, with the Hasselblad natural color solution and 10-bit D-Log-M, you won't have to spend a lot of time or effort editing your photos with complex color settings or post-processing techniques. DJI drones are popular for the intelligent flight mode, simplifying complex shot taking. Although both the Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Pro possesses a variety of intelligent flight modes, you'll certainly find variations in their functionality and user-friendliness. The Mavic 3 boasts Focus Track, which encompasses features such as Active Track 5.0, Spotlight, and Point of Interest, ensuring stable tracking shots from different angles. Whereas, with the Mavic 3 Pro, you'll get intelligent flight modes including Active Track 5.0, Spotlight 2.0, and Point of Interest 3.0. These upgraded modes offer advanced tracking capabilities, simplifying the task of capturing intricate shots. Additionally, the Mavic 3 Pro introduces a new feature called SynFocus, allowing users to accurately track focus points. In conclusion, Both the Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Pro boast an impressive array of intelligent flight modes, with the Mavic 3 Pro having a slight advantage due to its superior camera quality. Nevertheless, the Mavic 3 quickshots and panorama modes can still be highly practical for you if you want to capture spectacular footage. While both the DJI Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Pro offer impressive flight times, there is a slight difference between the two. The Mavic 3 boasts the maximum flight time of 46 minutes, which is certainly impressive, as you'll be getting more time to capture desired shots. However, due to the extra weight of the Mavic 3 Pro's larger camera module, its maximum flight time drops slightly to 43 minutes. Regarding the price, that DJI Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Pro are top-of-the-line drones that come with a significant cost. The Mavic 3 has a starting price of $2,049, while the Mavic 3 Pro starts at $2,199. Similarly, the Mavic 3 Pro Flyme or Combo can be purchased for $2,999. The Mavic 3 Pro is a bit expensive, owing to its advanced camera setup and supplementary functionalities, meaning if you're looking for an enhanced aerial shooting experience with the most advanced camera setup on any consumer-grade drone, Mavic 3 Pro will not disappoint you. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Pro are two remarkable drones that offer impressive camera quality, intelligent flight modes, and flight times. The Mavic 3 Pro comes with some upgraded features, including a larger camera module, and extra lens, and advanced intelligent flight modes, giving it a slight edge over Mavic 3. However, the Mavic 3 still boasts highly practical features such as quick shots and panorama modes, which can produce spectacular footage. That's it for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.